Wildfire on the Mountain paints a vivid picture of a raging inferno spreading across the mountainous terrain. The air is thick with smoke as flames devour everything in their path, leaving a trail of destruction in their wake. The crackling of burning vegetation and the intense heat create a sense of urgency as firefighters battle tirelessly to contain the blaze. Meanwhile, nearby communities brace for potential evacuation, while wildlife flee in search of safety. It's a scene of both beauty and danger, highlighting the raw power of nature and the resilience of those who confront its wrath.